issuing a tornado warning for Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, northeastern Scott County, Missouri, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:41 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kelso or near Scott City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Thames, Scott City, Olive Branch, and Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area around 12:45 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lambert, Commerce, New Grand Chain, Olin, Pulaski, Thebes, and Olmsted. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 10 and 22. Interstate 55 between mile markers 79 and 90. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following county: Scott, Missouri, and the following counties in Illinois: Alexander and Pulaski.